Thank you. Sit down. So, in last class, already to know about introduction of haloalkane, haloarine and the IUPAC naming process. Yes or no? Okay. So, in the process of naming, that is IUPAC naming, have you marked there is a differentiation between some compounds? There is a difference. We have a same or constant naming process according to IUPAC rule, but in the process of naming, there are some different ways. Based on that, we can classify our compounds. First, in the classification, you can say that is your based on first one is based on number of halogen atom. You know X is halogen atom. Number of halogen atom. If it contains only one halogen, suppose your example is CH3 CH2 Cl. Name of this compound is chloroethane. This compound contains one halogen. This type of compound is called monohaloalkane. Monohaloalkane. Okay. If there is one halogen, it is called monohaloalkane. If there is two halogens, suppose two CH2, CH2, Br and Br. What is the name of this compound? 1,2-dibromo or simply dibromoethane. This is dihaloalkane, and if contain three halogen, it is called trihaloalkane. Like this. For aromatics, suppose you know name of this compound. Name of this compound is bromobenzene. In this compound, there is only single halogen. This compound is called monohaloarine. And if there are two halogens, it is called dihaloarine, trihaloarine. Monohaloarine, this is, and another one is dihaloarine. This is Cl and this is Cl. This one is bromine, again bromine and bromine. Name of this compound is 1,2-dichlorobenzene. This is 1, 2 and 4 tribromobenzene. 1,2-dichlorobenzene. This is 1, 2, 4 tribromobenzene. In this compound there are two halogens. In this compound there are three halogens. So you can classify as it is dihaloarine, and it is trihaloarine. Okay. This classification is based on the number of halogen present in the carbon compound, or alkane or haloalkane. That is alkane or benzene. Understand? Now, next classification is based on the sp3 carbon and halogen bond. In last class, already we have discussed in haloalkane and haloarine, we can find two types of bond. One is sp3, another is sp2. When we find sp3 hybridization, if there is single bond, when there is sp2, that means it is double bond. Based on this, we can classify your sp3 hybridized compound like two categories. One is allylic and another is benzylic. ALLYLIC, and another is benzylic. Allylic. Listen carefully. In sp3-CX bond, we said that sp3CH bond. That means halogen must be attached with the carbon atom having sp3 hybridization. So what happened in this category of compound? The halogen is linked with carbon atom of sp3 hybridized adjacent to, remember the word, adjacent to double bond. That means what is adjacent position? One position after the double bond. Now take one example. CH3 CH double bond CH CH2 Cl. Write this compound CH3 CH double bond CH2 again double 2 and Cl. Okay. Now write this compound and name this compound first. First, all of you name this compound. What is the name? Compound. What is the name of this compound? What is the name of this compound? You complete? What is the name? 1-chloro-butene. This is right or wrong? 1-chloro-butene. Anyone? 4-chloro. 4-chloro. Anyone? What is your number? You not mention the number. 1-chloro-butene. Any answer? 1-chloro-2-butene. 1-chloro, 4-chloro. How it is 4-chloro? 4-chloro-2-butene. 4-chloro. Now listen. Okay. It is 1-chloro and some say that it is 4-chloro. Now we have to consider double bond. If in your naming there is a double bond, we have to first take the double bond. Now mark the double bond. From left position it is 1 and 2. From right position also it is 1 and 2. We cannot consider CH because CH bonded with chlorine. Actually this Cl bonded with chlorine. So this is first position and this is second position. If from both sides the position is 2 same, then we have to again consider what is other substituent. So in this condition we have to consider from chlorine because position of double bond is same. And in right side there is extra group. So our naming process, that is right one is, our right position one is 1 position, 2 position, 3 position, 4 position. So name will be 1-chloro-butene. Understand? 1-chloro-butene. Now in this compound your chlorine halogen atom link with sp3 hybridized, that is CH2 adjacent to double bond. Listen carefully. There is no double bond in this position, first position. Double bond is in second position. This type of compound is categorized as allylic halide. Understand? Similarly, if you come to benzene group, this will become benzylic. How? Suppose your ring is benzene ring is like this, and there is a group CH2Br. In this compound, bromine link with CH2 group, that is sp3 hybridized carbon, not directly link with your benzene ring. Understand? Not directly link with benzene. After CH2 group, adjacent position, that is next position, there is double bond, but not in the first position. Double bond is not in first position. Yes or no? Double bond present in the second position. That type of compound is called benzylic. Understand? In sp3CH bond, there are two categories. One is allylic and another is benzylic. Now come to the last, that is sp2CH bond. In sp2 CX bond, again we find two types of category, that is vinylic, 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 and aryl. First, consider aryl. Already you know aryl. What is aryl? Aryl means when benzene directly link with a halogen group. It is simple benzene aryl. But what is vinylic? What is vinylic? When it contact with a simple chain. Simple chain means suppose CH3 C, and that is H double bond CH2 Br. Understand? In this condition, it is benzene ring, that is aryl, but if it is come contact with direct in your aliphatic ring, it is vinylic. So now you got the idea of classification of haloalkanes, haloarine. Like, what are the groups? Say with me. First one is allylic. Second one is benzylic. Both these two are based on sp3 hybridization. Then next one is vinylic and another one is aryl. Okay, these two are based on your sp3 through hybridization. Now my last question for you: what is the category of this compound? What is the category of this compound? This is benzene. I put here CH and CH3, and that is suppose CN. This compound you should take in which group? Can you answer? Try to answer it. Yes, all of you? Yes? Benzylic. Why? Here halogen atom link with sp3 hybridize. So it is what? Benzylic. Understand? So after it, your IUPAC naming is clear now. You again know your classification process. Next, we will learn methods of preparation. How haloalkanes, haloarenes are prepared from any other organic compounds. In every chapter, your organic compound, first introduction, then naming, then some category properties, then process of preparation, then physical chemical properties after the reaction. Okay? Thank you. Right, get this one.